is the absolute most awesomest, absolute vending machine ever. This is crazy. You can buy almost anything you want. They even have shit tickets and Tampax and dog food and cat food and everything you could possibly think of. Quarts of milk, liter and a half of soda. Like, what the fuck more do you want in a vending machine, man? They take credit cards and coins and pitch pads, and you can select up to 7 things at one time, and it's like a fucking shopping cart. Watch this shit. This is gonna blow your fucking minds, people. You watching this? Go in here, get your money out. Yeah, that's right, money. Where does it take dollar bills at? Or doesn't it take dollar bills? Better take dollar bills. Use bills below, right here. Check this out. Sucks it right up in there. Tells you how much you got going on here. Alright, now here's the cool part. Now watch this shit. Watch this. Let's see. 3010 1 liter Pepsi. And we want a 1705. No. Clear last item. B. I put in the numbers wrong. 1706 Reese's Pieces. Check this. D. You push D. Here we go. Where are we going? Watch this shit. This is fucking awesome. Comes over here. Yeah. Comes down here. Drops it there. Then